In today's video, we will see how you can use our Custom Buttons extension to create your own buttons. To create a new button, first access the main menu, select Settings, and click on CRM Settings. Now, from the Other Settings drop-down menu, select Buttons. To create a custom button, click on the button labeled as New Button. A form will be displayed on your screen. In the first section, enter button details. Select the module, icon, and status. Make sure to give a name to your button. Select Yes in the Show in Module pick list to display your button. The modal is the form that will be opened when you press the button. In the modal pop-up section, fill your modal details, including fields that will be shown on the modal and the field that will be updated silently when you will click Save. Vtiger also allows you to set multiple conditions on your modal. After filling the form with necessary information, press Save to save the changes. To test the button, let's access the module for which we created a button. Here I am going to the Leads module. Select a record from the list view and go to the detail view of that record. You can see a button on top. Press the button to view the modal. Enter required information and click Save. A success message will be displayed notifying about the field update. That's it for the Custom Buttons extension. Thanks for watching.